are in a gala ng mga loves and look what I found! It's the YouTube Lounge! Alright, so dito sila mag-meeting if ever. Mga loves, we are still in Cebu, second day, and we are gonna meet Aunt Liv, baby kong's Dinang, and we're gonna dine sa isang restaurant near sa Rosa Hotel. Magpupunta muna kami ng Ayala. Kukunin mo muna namin yung picture na ginawa namin sa mga bata nung isang araw. So later. We are in a gala ng mga loves and look what I found! It's the YouTube Lounge! Alright, so dito sila mag-meeting if ever. Okay, mabuti naman may lounge na si Ayala. Ay, punta muna kami ng picture city. Ay, mga loves, we are here na sa Ayala with Aunt Liv! Hi, Aunt Liv! And we are going to eat sa sa mga restaurant here sa may Ayala. Saan na? Halami eh. Ang question is, masarap ba attach? Or may ramen? Okay, let's go ahead and try Mismo Kono. Mismo Kono. Okay, so let's go. Alright. Too cool. Where man tayo? Shh, quiet, King. Do you wanna sit here on the table? Wala ano din? Magliko-liko. Wala travel, wala. Sa una na dahil ito niya. And we have Gundam Wing over there. Super Mario.
This one.
Okay, let's order.
I can make small one.
Chicken karaage poppers.
Spaghetti na ramen.
Alright.
That's ramen. Is that ramen?
Okay, so before what is your expectation, Aunt Liv, about the food?
I expect it to be
Yummy and edible.
Yeah.
Kada dili maluwa.
Oo, hindi ilo.
Yeah.
I expect it to be authentic charing.
Authentic o kanang Japanese food na lasa. Ikaw kung king.
Activate drugs.
Okay. I have this soup, mga loves, and I don't know if it's miso soup. I don't know what it's called, but it tastes really good.
You like it?
You like this one?
No.
What do you call this? It's a tuna.
I like this one.
Yeah. That's a tauge.
This is strawberry. No, this is strawberry. That's not.
Sige, Aunt Liv, go. Okay. Unsa ni kikuman? Gani.
There's no egg here.
It's in the ramen.
I'll give it to you later. It's a golden.
In the garden there are people. Atay. Okay. Okay ra? Lami na mga nailang ko na Mr. Stern na. Okay, this one, Aunt Liv. Cheese, good nino, din ni mayo.
Cheese, yeah.
Cheese? Okay, very good. No, don't do that, that's so spicy.
It's very, very spicy.
Yeah.
Oh, I like the jellies. Ew, I want to be a raisin.
Lame? Kasi tawagan eh. Cheesy. Cheesy tuna. Ah, okay. This is spare ribs. Alright, let's try this. Hey, what are you doing, Te? Yeah, I don't know how to do the chopsticks.
It's not blood.
Ah, okay. Wala sila. Ah, panotin. It's different ba? Ignoramos kung ano. Let's try this. We've got the Naruto ramen. Nam Nam King? Ooh, so delicious. Yep, you like it? And this one is the pink. I don't know what's this. I also don't know what that is. Kimchi.
No.
Yummy ang pink. Pink sushi. Pink maki. Okay, so we have the ramen na, mga loves. Ayan. And let's taste first sa sabaw. Tingnan. And look at this. Look at that. Yes, I will put that one. Wait lang. Let's taste first this one.
You don't like this?
Gusto daw siya. Masarap. Very good. And let's try the pink, pink. Kung saan man yung pink? Mayo? Mayonnaise? Mayo daw ito. But let's try. Okay. Very good. Let's try the kimchi. So spicy. sa wakas mga loves, ubos na namin ang pagkain. Ayan.
Busog na busog talaga ako.
Yan, nabusog si Adeline. Kung pinipansin lang. So, ang verdict namin is, yes, very affordable siya dahil may buy one take one kanina. And masarap ang kanilang ramen. Ubus siya. Masarap ang yung steak. Beef steak. So, ano pa ba? Ano masarap?
Masarap din ang yung tauki. Tauki, tsaka ito.
At saka yung kanilang miso soup, masarap. Ayan, so, ano, recommended ba ang Alright, very good. So, recommended. So, dito sa Ayala, mga loves, sa Cebu, sa, ano sila, parang sa rooftop na part na Ayala. So, makita nyo lang dito. Ang pangalan nila ay Miss Monaco. Mismo Kono pala. Mismo Kono Restaurant. So, madali lang siyang ma-remember. Mismo Kono, ganun lang. So, yun mga loves, thank you so much. So, ulitin. Sa next na naman natin na review ng restaurant. Okay? Ang taba-taba ko na. Ang dami ko na review ng restaurant. Okay lang yan. Okay, thank you so much mga loves. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Bye-bye! Mga loves, punta tayo ngayon sa The Pyramid kung isa sa mga bagong restaurant dito sa Cebu, sa IT Park.